Now let us have a look at the RCM billing cycle in greater detail. Patient demographics. Clinics can either add patients one at a time, send a patient payload from the integrated EMR applications, or import patient data in bulk. Import and export can be done in CSV, expEDIum XML, HL7, and Nemesis version 3.4 formats. You can also add new patients' information from the Add New button. You can add more information about the patient through the Edit button. Along with this, you can add primary, secondary, and tertiary insurance information, patient notes, custom fields, and attachments and provider information. We also have a patient ledger, which keeps the record of all financial transactions between the patient and the practice. Through the patient ledger, you can add transactions and make online payments through expEDIum Direct Pay. Creating a patient statement can also be done through the ledger. The third icon is where you can check the eligibility of the patient. expEDIum also provides electronic superbill, where you can make charge entries against a particular patient. This makes your work much more straightforward and also creates a claim automatically out of it. Set up a payment agreement with a patient using expEDIum's PPA feature, which you can find on the extreme right corner of the patient list. You can search for the patient's data through patient details, payer details, claim details, and other criteria. You can also save your search criteria by clicking on this Save Search button. Want to make changes to the patient view list? It can be done through the Maintenance feature setting. Please note we can only select 8 fields. Patient appointments. You can schedule appointments through expEDIum by double-clicking on the timeline. You can choose an existing patient by clicking on the Patient Demographic Lookup or create a new patient on the fly. Once you have made an appointment, you can peruse it via daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly views. The calendar on the left will depict the appointments scheduled, meaning if you have scheduled appointments on a particular day, the color of that date will change, which helps you find your appointments quickly. You can change the appointment settings like appointment time allocation, provider, and facility from the setting option. This also allows you to differentiate between appointments effortlessly. You can also print your appointments as per your necessity. Insurance eligibility verification. You can check for your patient's eligibility from 2 different modules, that is, patient demographics and patient appointments. The third icon on the demographic is to make an eligibility inquiry. Once done, you can view the response through eligibility inquiries. The blue thumbs up icon means the patient is eligible for the insurance, and the red thumbs down means they are not eligible. Click on the button, which is on the extreme right side of the table, to check the detailed eligibility information of the patient. From patient appointments, it can be done through the agenda to perform a real-time batch eligibility inquiry before your patient comes in for their appointment. Just select the patients and click on the Submit button. To check the result, go to Inquiries under Patient Demographic. Claim entry. expEDIum supports both HCFA 1500 and UB04 claims. With the help of a click on the patient demographics lookup, the patient's information will be auto-populated till box number 17 in the claim form. All you need to handle are the service codes. For the easy medical coding process, expEDIum has diagnosis code lookup and service code lookup in its claim form. If you are submitting a claim for an ambulance at a single button click, on the top left corner of the claim form, you will get detailed information on ambulance, where you can add or edit all ambulance-related details for the claim. You can also send claims in batch file via expEDIum XML HCFA and expEDIum XML UB. And additionally, we also support Nemesis 837i and 837p format. Once you have sent your claims, you can check their status through the Batch Status module, where you will get aggregated information. Error claim scrubbing. expEDIum keeps track of your errored claims. You can search for the error claims based on patient, provider, diagnosis, date of service, and other criteria. All the error codes, description along with the error claim on your search criteria will be listed. Click on the List Claim icon to view the error claims for that error code. Once you have opened an errored claim, you shall see the errors listed on the top. Click on the errors and you shall be taken to the box associated with the error, highlighted with a red color. That's how easy it is to scrub a claim in expEDIum. Claim submission and claim status. Once a claim is error-free, the system will bundle it into an EDI and send it to the clearinghouse. expEDIum has a robust claim search option with many filters available to determine the claim's status. Users can also track current claim status at a single button click and see the payer response from claim history. Each legend at the bottom indicates a certain status of the claims. Payment posting. expEDIum can automatically receive and post ERA files and create secondary claims in payer-to-payer COB situations without manual intervention. If you receive EOB from your payer, you can post the payment manually by clicking on the Create Batch option. Once you have entered the check number, check amount, check date, payer, and payee details, a batch will be created. After creating a batch, you need to add the claims against that payment and post the payment details from EOBs. You can also search for payments as per your need with search criteria like check EFT number, check EFT date, and payer ID and payer name. Rejections and denial handling. expEDIum helps you keep track of rejections and denial. You can find both under the search option. Let us see the rejection first. expEDIum has many filters through which you can search for the rejected claims. Once you search, all the codes and descriptions along with the number of rejected claims on your search criteria will be listed. You can view the list of claims by clicking on the List Claim icon. If you open a claim, the reason will be listed on the top. You can scrub the claim and resubmit it as many times as needed. As for the denials, the process is the same. When you click on the search button, all the reasons or remark codes and descriptions along with the number of denied claims based on your search criteria will be listed. Click on the List Claim icon to see which claim is denied for a particular reason. When you open a denied claim, all the COB details will be listed under Claim History. Patient statements. Through expEDIum, you can also send a patient statement or bill as a reminder to your patients. The patient statement can be customized as per your needs, and you can access those statements from the Patient Statement Manage module. Clinics can either print statements for in-house handling or generate patient statement PDFs that can be sent to BillFlash, a vendor to which mailing of patient statements can be outsourced. Aging analysis. You can track your aging claim in expEDIum. Several flavors of aging reports are available in the Report module, where you can search and track your aging claim based on various criteria. Also, expEDIum offers a seamless real-time claim status inquiry that gives you an aging claim status without making any AR call. All you need is a few button clicks from EMB to perform the inquiries. All the responses are received in real time, reconciled with the original claim status inquiries and presented in a human-readable fashion. The response from the claim status inquiries can be used for further analysis of what actions to take on those aging unpaid claims. Reports. Users can get access to over 60+ ready-made reports from batch level, claim level, service level, patient level, aging report, and payment analysis. These reports are available in various flavors and can be exported to a CSV, Excel, or PDF file. For ambulance or EMS agencies or public health clinics, expEDIum has specific reports such as ALS-BLS report, SFS program reports, or Medicare or Medicaid reports. Custom reports can be programmed free of cost or for a nominal fee. Collections. expEDIum provides a collection report that helps you pull patients who have not paid the dues after several reminders. Go to the Report section under Patient Collection, fill in the criteria as needed, and create a report. On creating a patient report, a screen will pop up. Flag the collection for a report and save the file in CSV format, and the file will be created. Want to know more? Feel free to connect at marketing@itechws.com or call us at 786-646-0099.